Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you install the primer kit components in your snowblower, make sure the engine and muffler have cooled. You can use an 8mm socket to unthread 5 of the 6 bolts securing the muffler cover. You will need to use an 8mm wrench to unthread the 6th bolt. Use a 3/8" socket or nut driver to unthread the mounting bolt, securing the housing to the rear bracket. Next, unthread the screws to release the 2 retaining clamps, holding the housing to the handle. Now use a 1/2" socket to fully unthread the upper bolts securing the handle assembly. Lower the handle, and you can fully remove the muffler cover. Detach the primer hose from the primer bulb and carburetor. Be prepared for some fuel to spill. Use needle nose pliers to depress the tabs to release the old primer bulb. You're now ready to install the new primer kit components. Snap the new primer bulb into place on the control housing. Confirm the clamps are positioned on the new hose. Then attach the hose to the primer bulb and carburetor. Then secure the hose with the clamps. Reposition the muffler cover and thread the 6 bolts to secure. Reposition the handle assembly and rethread the upper bolts. Align the 2 retaining clamps and thread the screws to secure the housing to the handle. Rethread the mounting bolt to secure the housing to the rear bracket. Your snowblower should now be ready for use.